Can't stop. Get it, get it. Get it, get it. Get it, get it.
Get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it. Sit down and eat. Eat first. After you eat, then you play.
Stop making them sounds, weirdo. That's you making them sounds. Thank you. It's okay. No one noticed. Give me. Eat. Mom, can I have a Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
What? Wait, what? I can't hear you. Sorry. I can't hear you.
Hey, eat.
Really?
Oh, I've seen this movie. Big movie.
No hable eso frío.
I put ice in it.
It's only good to open it when it's hot and cold.
She breaks it. She breaks his thing. I've seen this movie. This movie's like, oh man, I can't.
Nothing.
He goes to jail, he goes to new school, then at the end of the movie, I've seen the movie. Mom, have you seen this movie? Back! He's drunk. He's drunk. He's drunk. He's drunk.
Let me ask you this. Are you a doctor?
Are you a doctor? No.
Treatable condition. What condition? The fact that you pee around the corner is torture. He can't help it. You see, what's wrong with this in medical terms? It's called Tourette. Tourette syndrome? I'm out of your language, son. Now I'll take one of these a day.
That movie's hilarious though. That's so not true. Bounty.
It is true.
Pickle, no. It was gone so fast. It just flashed before my eyes. Ow! Naya! Throw them. Throw them in my mouth. Go like this. Boom. Let's go eat it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Can I get one? Daniel, really?
We got a whole bunch of boats. Big old
Woo! Excuse me.
Are you telling me you're the owner of the Bubba Gump Shrimp Corporation?
Yes, we got more money than that.
We were sitting next to
Well, I thought it was a very lovely story. And you so well.
Would you like to see what this goddamn looks like?
Excuse me. Okay, that's. Excuse me.
That's it, my brother.
Excuse me. My God.
And let me tell you something about New Jersey.
Excuse me.
I never thanked you for saving my life.
I'm just having a 7, so.